So we are having a question that is the unit of the length, velocity and force are doubled. Which of the following is the correct change in the other unit? So first let's us pick up the velocity, right? We are having this velocity term, so it is being doubled. So let us write velocity is equal to distance upon time, right? The velocity is basically what? Displacement upon time. Now they said that the velocity is doubled and also the length is also doubled. मतलब velocity क्या हो गया है? So this velocity is doubled when we double the distance, the length or displacement. It means that the time is not changing, time is constant. Why? Since the velocity is becoming 2v, it's because the distance is also becoming double, means the velocity is becoming double only because of the distance, not time. If we say that the unit of time is also double, if this is also double, like the distance is becoming 2d and the time is also becoming 2t, so 2 to getting cancelled, so the velocity is not getting double. Velocity is only doubled when we are keeping this time constant. In the question it is giving that the length is double, so basically the time is not double, it is constant. So the option 1 is, we can say, it is incorrect. Now for the option 2, now for option 2, mass is there, so we have to look at the force. We are given with the force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now they have said that the force is doubled. Now we have to comment about the mass. Now let us first break the acceleration, because we know about the length and velocity, but we are not given any information about the acceleration. So first of all we will break that. So this is the mass, and acceleration can be written as L t minus 2, right? Because acceleration is what? Meter per second square. Meter can be written as L, time is that is t minus 2. Now we have already known that the length is doubled, and we have already proved that the time is fixed and the length is doubled, and also given that the force is doubled. It means after doubling the length, the force get double. Length is double, that is why the force is double. It means the m is also a constant. M is constant. So the mass is not double. If mass would have double, the length is already given in the question that it is double, and if we consider that the mass is also double, the mass is 2m into 2l into t power minus 2, so the force is basically what? 4m l t minus 2, 4 times. But in the question it is given that it has increased only 2 times. It means the mass is not increasing 2 times. So the option 2 is also cancelled, that is wrong. Now unit of momentum. So what is the momentum? So the momentum is basically mass into velocity, and we have already proved that mass is constant, right? Momentum is equal to mass L3 minus 1. Velocity is what? Meter per second. Meter can be written as L3 minus 1. Now the time is constant, mass is constant. It means, and also in the question it is said that the length is doubled. In the question it is clearly given the length is doubled. So if we double the length, then the momentum will also double it, because momentum, here we can easily see that the momentum is directly proportional to length, since m and t are the constant. So if we are doubling the length, then the momentum will also be doubled. So the option C is the correct answer. So you can say that option C is correct. Now let's check the option D also. Unit of energy. So energy is basically what? Energy, we can write it as either, you can any of those energy formula, like work done is also a form of energy, its unit is joule. You can use the kinetic energy also, half mv square. You can use the potential energy also, mgh. Any you can use, and you will get ml square t minus 2. Now the mass is constant, we prove. The time is constant, we have proved. When the length will be double, that is 2l square, energy is directly proportional to l square. So when we're doubling the length, so energy is becoming like 4l square, so energy is becoming what? 4 times. not 2 times. So D is wrong because it said that it has increased 2 times, but actually it is increasing by 4 times. So the option C will be the correct answer.